Hey, you must have heard it through the grapevine. The holy man coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. And I've been waiting for a long time. I think I just saw the moon, saw the moon. Now everybody fast and pray. Time to wash your sins away. You wanna celebrate with us, then you gotta praise his name. Hey, it's Ramadan again. Hey, and tonight iftar inside my crib. Marhaban, bring the sambusas in. Be generous, you can bring a friend, bring a friend. Hey, from my people all around the globe, it's time to purify your soul. It don't matter if you're rich or no, we doing it for the one Lord. Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan Kareem. Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan Kareem. Marhaban, 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 marhaban.
Comment ça va, les musulmans? C'est Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan. Je n'ai pas le temps pour ton haram. Excusez-moi, I gotta go. Mama, what's cooking in the kitchen? Well, I smell so delicious. I gotta save my tradition. I gotta pray for forgiveness. Cause I know I gotta change the forgetting in the way, but I never go astray, yeah. Even when I was a kid, mama told me I should give and the Lord will repay, yeah. So if it ever gets hard, count the blessings in your heart and you will find happiness. No matter if you're rich or no, we're doing it for the one Lord.
Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan Kareem. Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan Kareem. Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan Kareem. Marhaban, marhaban.
I'm looking at my plate as I contemplate these kids who are living on one dry date. Why do I complain? If they were in my place, they would think it's heaven. Grateful for their blessings, still being tested. Money or life, what is more precious? My people need more than that. And since we all one, we should all give back.
Give back so the world's gotta eat. For my people down in Africa, in the Middle East. Ramadan's peace, giving, unity. May God bestow his mercy on the community. It's about